everyone, welcome back, and today in this video we will show you how to get your Southwestern College parking permit. The first thing we want to do is click on Student Support, where we will press College Police. Here you will find the tab where we want you to scroll all the way down and press Parking Services. After clicking the page, please note that Southwestern College does require its students to have a parking permit. If not, you will be fined. So please read the description here above to read all the information. Afterwards, we want you to press Student Permits, where you will see all the prices we have and available permits. We recommend using the fall semester permit if you are using your vehicle on a daily basis to go to school. After pressing it, please log into your Southwestern College email, as we've done here, and click on Step 2, Buy Virtual Permit. After that, please select your permit that you would like to use. Here, I want to use it for the whole semester, since that is what I'll be using, and you're going to see the price down below. After that, press Continue, and we're going to go on to Permit Information. Press on Vehicle and select New Vehicle. So here we're going to add the license plate and state of the car or of the vehicle that we will be using, the year, the color of the car, the make of the car, model, type, and the owner registered to the vehicle. After putting all information, we're going to press Continue. Here you will be giving delivery options, however, this will be sent to your personal email as nothing will be shipped to you. The next thing is payment options, and you will press your preferred payment method. After that, you're set to go and you will receive your permit via email.